I just recorded a video about lists, but my mic was off. So let's start again. Lists in Python. We can create a list like this and then display it back using the interactive Python shell. Lists remember what order they're in. However, if we want to, we can sort a list in place to make it be sorted. Lists also allow for duplicates. And lists may contain data of different types. I wonder what happens if we sort a list that contains both numbers and characters or strings. Oh, that's nice. Type error less than not supported between instances of string and int. So while you gain something by being able to have different types represented in a list, you maybe lose something because of not being able to do comparisons with the sort method. So that's kind of interesting. I think that's enough about lists for now.